it's Meks here, and I am here to give you a hair tutorial. Girl, I know it's been a minute. Mom life has been keeping me pretty busy. So let me tell you about the hair. It is from ToyoTress. And this is their new hair. This is the card. ToyoTress, and it says super soft, natural looking, lightweight, easy, quick install. And then it gives you all their information here. I will have their links all down below. But I love whenever I get the opportunity to get some ToyoTress hair. Yes, ma'am. So the hair I got is their new hair. It's called New Loc. It's very small. Very small, and you have to like unravel it a little bit to try to kind of get your hole right there. And it's just the same as I would do with the braids. And then I'm going to show you how I installed them. Each pack comes with 20 of these, so you have more than enough if you have some trial and error. So there's 6 packs, and they come in packages like this, the same as their other hair. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, I always drop one. And then 6 is what I've been working with here so far. And then also they come and they give you these jewels there. And then of course you always get a free crochet needle, which I have like 6 of these things now. But that is okay because I love my crochet needle. But yeah, so far this is the best one that I've done, and this is my braid pattern, the same as I do for braids. But right here I tried to connect them to see if I like that method, and I did them here that way, and I do not like that look. So I am going to take these out, I think. I'm gonna take those out so that I can do individuals all the way around, except for on the side here, because it's my edge hair. It is a little thinner, so I just stuck it with that one. For that one, I will just keep it like that. But yeah, so I'm so excited. It's been so long since I've done a hair tutorial. Oh, I did get my hair in a 1B, and when I come back at the end, I will show you me installing this front part. So, hey guys, what's up? I'm tired. My eyes, do you see my eyes? They all red. I was gonna come on and put some makeup on. We ain't gonna even front. I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. But so far, I'm really liking this. Look at this. I got locks in, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, but let me show you. I left 3 to show you guys. It's a little, I may have done it a little tight. Not that much tighter than I normally do it, but yeah. Oh, I still gotta fix that one and that one. Okay, so I'm not there yet, but we gonna get there. Okay, let me show you. It's been a struggle bus with these like, cause see, this is what you get. That's the hole. It's like bad. Okay, so I'm like unraveling it the best that I can, and that's what I do. And I usually just try to pull on it, but not too much. This hair is very sensitive. Let me zoom you in. Hey girl, how you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna do this one so you guys can see what I do. What I do, what I do, what I do. All right, so as usual, like I normally do, you close it and you pull it through. For this one, you don't really need the hook. You gotta find the hole again, like that, and you take your hair and the lock and push both of them through the hole. So you got your hair, the lock, and take it, pull it through, okay? And then you secure it like so, and you have your two pieces. The hair is now connected. Now what you do not do this. No, do not do that. You have to kind of lock it up. So you want to untwist it and twist it, retwist it around in its natural, the natural way it wants, and untwist it little by little because the hair is really, really sensitive, I've learned. And you just keep untwisting a little, gently push it around. Do not move this braid. This braid just stays there chilling, and you're just wrapping the lock hair around your hair. So, whew, I'm tired. See how it's looking? That's what you want. That's what you want. And I will show you guys again how I get it started, but this is pretty much it. Alright, I'm just looking at myself in the mirror. Don't try to rush it. I mean, if you get a rhythm and you get a good lock where it's not getting tangled, then you could get it done pretty fast. But sometimes it gets, this part gets tangled and it won't, it's hard for you to wrap it. So see, I'm just taking that and wrapping it around my hair. See, taking it and I'm wrapping it. I'm sorry, I'm like blocking it. I don't know any other way to show you. So I'm unraveling it like this, and this is my hair, and I'm just taking it and I'm wrapping it around, not moving my hair at all. The only motion is coming from the lock hair. So I'm almost done because my hair is coming to the end, just so you guys can't see. Maybe I should do it that way. No? Okay, like that. A little bit more. And I should be done. A little bit more. Okay, and then I do this. Just like you would twist the ends of your hair when you do a twist. I do that, and then take it like this. In the motion of the hair, do it in the direction the hair was already going, and you're essentially doing it like you're locking up your hair. This is 24 inches, y'all. It's long, and that's it. Isn't it cute? That's it. Hey guys, it's me. Hi, I'm all done. This is the next day. I finished last night probably around, it was probably about 11 o'clock. I finished and I did a quick little, I don't know what I did. I'm pretty sure I've already played it, but this is the next day. I didn't have any jewels and I added a few jewels here and there. Like it's late now. But anywho, about these faux locks from ToyoTress. First, I want to say thank you again to ToyoTress. So, common questions that I get asked about faux locks. One, is it heavy? No. But the way that I did it, it is not heavy at all. These are all individual, with the exception of this row here, because my edges are my babies and I'm not trying to have them snagging, especially on a new style. So, is it itchy? No, not at all. What did I use? Okay, so I did my normal braid pattern, the same what I do for my individuals. And when I did it, I used the melanin hair care, because legit melanin, y'all saw that, how I almost fell? Yeah. The melanin always keeps my hair moisturized under a protective style. I will take my braids out after them being in for weeks. Like, mom life been busy. I ain't had time to wash it, nothing. And this saves me. This is probably my 4th or 5th container of the melanin hair care. This will always go on my top list. This will always be a go-to. Yes. This right here is what I use. The oil that I use is the ORS Hair Repair Vital Oils. I put that on my hair after I washed it. I think I had a clip in here where I showed you where I had absolutely no product in my hair. So I did add a little oil to get some moisture back in my hair. And then I did use the Softine Argan Oil Hair and Scalp Conditioner. I put that on my scalp as I was partying because, you know, she was exposed, especially in this area. That is my problem area. I did use that. So other than that, that was it. You know, I did a deep conditioner and I used a different shampoo. If you guys want to know what that is, let me know down below and I will, tell you what shampoo and how I prepped my hair. But I can't say enough. I'm legit trying to find stuff. Try to take some of my other hair, my wavy hair, and add it in there, and it was just too frizzy. I left it in so y'all can see it, but I'm taking it out. The next time I do this style, I will get some of the wavy hair that people actually use for, like a goddess look. Goddess faux locks, that's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, but let me show you what it looks like. Give me a second. The chair. Okay, so length check. So it's there. And then if I bring it around and wear it like this, can you guys see? So this is what it looks like. Loving it. And these are the jewels that I use. Okay, so let me sit sideways so you can see how it looks in the back. A closer look. Braid pattern. I was not trying to be perfect with my parts. Okay, so it's the side. So yeah. So what do you guys think? Comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I know I'm always getting some critics, but that's what it's for. But okay, I ended up using 3.5 packs of hair. So yeah, it takes a little longer to do the individuals, but there's 20 in each little pack. It comes with 6 of these, and there's 20 in each one. And this is about the size of it, and it's 24 inches long. It's pretty long. Very long. I wish they were a little thicker. Just had like a little bit more hair. The sizing wasn't always consistent. I literally searched for the thicker ones. But it's hand, like this was done by hand, not a machine. Sent to me by ToyoTress. They have all of these socials. They have YouTube, Facebook. They have a Pinterest page. I didn't know that. Instagram, Google+, and they have a website, ToyoTress.com. I got my hair on Amazon. I got it on Amazon, but this was provided to me by ToyoTress, and I am ever so thankful for that. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of this hair. Tell me if you're like, Meks, do it again, but next time do goddess locks, add some waves. If you think I should add some more jewels. Y'all know me, I'm minimal. I don't be adding no color or nothing. I tried, but it didn't work that one time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It truly helps out my channel. And if you have any questions about this hair, just let me know. Comment down below and I will answer your questions. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.